Hello everyone, since content na to is how to withdraw. So dito po tayo sa my earnings. Tapos withdraw. Dapat po yung Meet wallet ninyo at saka yung and apps ninyo ay pareho. And then dito tayo, phone. Kasi naka-bend na kasi itong ano ko. Every time na mag-withdraw, ito nang gagawin ninyo. Always be, always be my baby, ano ba? And then like this, like that, verify, send. So ganun lang po kasimple. Dapat lang po may and apps kayo. Dapat 51 37 ano ba yun? Wow, nalimot na si 513708 confirm. Ayun, naka-transfer na po ko ng $20 transaction. So cash out. So nakabenta po ito lahat. $10 confirm, submit, enter the payout method, password. Ayun, successful na po yan. Diba, yung balance ko is $10 na lang. Ayun, thank you for following. Please subscribe my ayun, dumating na. Okay, ganun lang po kasimple. Thank you. Please subscribe and copy the link. PM me for more info. Join kayo sa GC namin. Thank you so much.